Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. Today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video, so get ready to clean with me. But also I wanted to share with y'all a wonderful Mother's Day gift idea, since Mother's Day is right around the corner. So this is the Aura frame. It has been recommended by over 130 plus gift guides. It has been sold out and restocked because it is one of the most popular gifts for birthdays, Mother's Day, anniversaries, and holidays. But honestly, I would say that this is the perfect gift for any occasion at any time. I'm so excited to share this with y'all. This is my first time owning anything like this, and I just think it's the neatest thing ever. So I'm just opening it up now and giving you a quick view. In the box is the Aura frame itself, which comes in different styles and colors, by the way. In the box also is a power plug and super easy instructions. So my first impression was that this is so beautifully made. I really love the design and I love the color because it matches perfectly in my apartment. Setting up the Aura frame was super easy. All you have to do is plug her up and download the Aura frame app on your phone, and then you can get started. The Aura frame has free unlimited storage. You can upload over 10,000 photos and videos, and there's no hidden fees or subscriptions involved. The Aura frame has crystal clear resolution, no memory cards required. You literally do all of this through the app, and you can even invite others like friends and family to join in, and they can upload photos to your Aura frame as well, which I think is really cool. The Aura frame has auto cropping and auto dimming, and it has an interactive touch bar, which is located at the very top of the frame and is super simple to use. You can choose options by sliding your finger across or tapping. You can choose the duration of your slideshow as well, which is all in the settings on the Aura app. You can also choose to shuffle the photos or have them set to chronological order. I actually had this sitting in my room when I was setting it up, but decided to put it out on our bookshelf. That way everyone who comes in or whenever we walk by, we can enjoy all of the beautiful pictures on our Aura frame. If you're interested in getting your own Aura frame or purchasing one for a gift, I will have it linked down below. You can check it out. There will also be a coupon code down there so you can save money on your purchase.
You don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time.
So Alan left at 5 something this morning to go to work, and I woke up with him, and in that moment I was like super energized. I was like, yeah, this is a good time to get up and start my day. But I ended up crawling back in the bed with Cookie and fell back asleep. It was cold and cozy in my room and I just couldn't resist, but it's whatever. Anyways, as always, I started my day off by greeting my kitten girls and then made myself a cup of coffee, because you know your girl cannot function without a cup of coffee in the morning. So after having some coffee and waking up a little bit, I got enough energy to get up and get her done. So now I'm going to start cleaning. I'm starting off in my bedroom. The first thing I'm going to do is wipe off my bed frame because it's been a while since I did that and I noticed that she was a little dusty. So I'm going to wipe that off real quick with some paper towels and a multi-purpose cleaner, and then I'm going to make my bed and finish cleaning the rest of my room.
I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
So I'm going to use that same multi-purpose cleaner and a paper towel to wipe off Alan's nightstand first, and then I'm going to wipe mine off as well, but I just didn't film it because I didn't feel like moving the camera all the way over there so that you could see me doing that. I really need to get a new tripod because my other one broke. I still have my ring light, but I don't have the tripod that the ring light hooks on top of. I don't know what happened. It just broke and I need to get a new one. So my camera is actually sitting on top of a cat scratcher, which is sitting on top of a bar stool. So you got to do what you got to do sometimes. But anyways, yeah, that's why I didn't feel like moving it around. So now I'm going to clean off my vanity with that same cleaner and some paper towels. I'm also going to be using the same stuff to wipe off my TV stand. And then I'm going to be cleaning the mirrors and my TV screen with one of these purple rags. I actually forget the name of them. I used to use them a long time ago and I forgot I had another set. But these are actually made just for glass and mirrors and they work so good. I'm so glad I found one of them in my drawers. It works so perfect on mirrors and you don't even need a cleaner to use them. You just use it by itself. They are awesome and they work really well.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
So now I'm finishing off my room with some perfume, which I have showed y'all before. Don't knock it till you try it. But y'all already know I have an obsession with Dossier perfumes. I've been using them for years and I absolutely love them. But not only do I love using them as a perfume on myself, I love using them in my home. They are colorant and UV filter free, they are vegan and cruelty free, and they are also paraben and phthalate free. So today I'm showing you this scent, which I don't think I've showed y'all before, but it is quite lovely. This is the Citrus Green Apple, which is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. On their website, it says it's one of their best sellers, and I can see why. Although I've never smelled the actual light blue, I can't compare the two. However, I love this scent from Dossier. It's really light and crisp and clean. On the website, the description says it's a citrus green apple with bursts of lime, and it has a Mediterranean citrus fruit with notes of zesty floral. If you haven't tried it yet, I recommend it. It smells really nice, y'all.
Like a flame in a storm.
So now that I'm done in my bedroom, I'm heading on to the kitchen. I'm going to put all these bottles of water away. I had them sitting on the floor in the packaging, and that drives me crazy. So I'm taking them all out of the packaging, and I'm going to put them all in my ice box. So now I'm going to start cleaning up my kitchen. I'm just going to be wiping off the countertops today using that same multi-purpose cleaner with paper towels. Then I'm going to do a quick vacuum on the floor and mop it as well.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty. Pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor.
So now that I'm done wiping off all of my kitchen countertops, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the kitchen floor really quick and mop the floor after I vacuum it.
I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while, ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty. Pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying.
So now I'm just going to wipe down Grandpa's table and my bookshelves really quick. And then I'm going to be vacuuming all of the living room floor, so the office area, the entrance by the door, and then the living room part where the couch is and the TV and all that. I also vacuumed and mopped behind the couch, but I didn't film that. And I also cleaned my entire bathroom, but I didn't film that either. Only because a week or so ago I posted a spring cleaning bathroom video. So I figured I would leave the bathroom cleaning out of this video and then tell you guys if you wanted to watch the bathroom cleaning video, I'd have it linked down below in the description.
Dance with you, I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
So anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the cleaning portion of this video motivated you and inspired you to get up and get her done. And I also hope you enjoyed the aura frame portion of the video. Don't forget to check out the aura frame down below. It will be in the description, like I said earlier, and there will also be a coupon code in there for you too. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!